Welcome to our tutorial about the Solid Union tool. Let's start by creating a box. Now let's bring in a cylinder. Dynamic UCS is toggled on. Let's snap to my center point, second point, and lastly the height. I've got two solids in model space that intersect. Let's activate the Solid Union tool. It's on the Solid Editing panel. We select the first solid, then the second solid, and right-click to execute the command. Now we have one single solid. Let's add a sphere. Right-click, 2-point, choose our first point, and I'm trying to snap to this vertex of the box for my second point. There we go. Let's combine these two solids using the Solid Union tool. Select our first solid and the sphere. Right-click to execute. And let's orbit to take a better look at our new solid. This concludes our tutorial about the Solid Union command.